Machine Operator, watch this video until the end. In this video, I will explain the complete CNC machine operating process step by step. Before operating the machine, you should first understand how to properly switch it on and off. Step 1. Turning off the machine. First, press the emergency stop (e-stop) button. An alarm will appear on the screen. Next, press the power off button on the control panel to shut down the machine. Then, go to the back of the machine and switch off the main power switch. Finally, turn off the stabilizer, or main electrical panel. At this point, the machine is completely powered down. Step 2. Turning on the machine. To start the machine again, first switch on the stabilizer. After that, switch on the main power at the back of the machine. Then return to the front control panel and press the power on button. The machine will boot up, but an emergency alarm may still be displayed. Step 3. Clearing the alarm. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise to release it. Once the emergency alarm disappears, press the reset button to clear any remaining alarms. Now the machine is ready for referencing. Step 4. Referencing, homing the machine. The machine must always be referenced after powering up. 1. Select handle mode. 2. Select the desired axis, usually the Z-axis first. 3. Rotate the hand wheel slightly in the minus direction. The axis does not need to move a long distance. 4. Press the reference home button. 5. Press the Z-axis key to home the Z-axis. 6. Repeat the same process for the remaining axes. Once all required axes are referenced, the machine is ready for operation. Step 5. Preparing the program. Check which job is currently loaded on the machine. Select Edit Mode. Press the Reset button. Switch to Auto Mode. Now the machine is ready to run the selected CNC program. Step 6. Loading the workpiece. Insert the raw material into the fixture or chuck. Using the foot pedal, press once to clamp the workpiece. Press again to unclamp it. After placing the workpiece correctly, press the foot pedal to clamp it securely, then close the machine door. Step 7. Running the job. Before starting the cycle, press the reset button once again. Now press cycle start. The machining operation will begin. Depending on the program, the machining cycle may take around 3 to 4 minutes. Step 8. Removing the finished job. When machining is complete, 1. Hold the finished part firmly with your hand first. 2. Press the foot pedal to unclamp it. Important: never press the pedal before holding the part. Otherwise, the finished component may fall, become damaged, and be rejected. After removing the finished part, load the next raw material component, clamp it, close the door, and press cycle start again. Step 9. Operator inspection. The operator must inspect every finished component according to the drawing. Check the following: thread dimensions using a thread gauge, outside diameter, OD, inside diameter, ID, facing dimensions, all critical dimensions specified on the engineering drawing. If any dimension is out of tolerance, for example, if the thread gauge does not pass, the diameter is oversized or undersized, or the ID is incorrect, you will need to make an offset correction. Step 10. Wear offset adjustment. 1. Open the offset screen. 2. Go to Wear Offset, not Geometry Offset. 3. Find the tool number responsible for the dimension and adjust the wear value by adding or subtracting the required amount. Although corrections can technically be made on the geometry offset page, operators should normally make dimensional adjustments only on the wear offset page. Geometry offsets are generally used during tool setup, whereas wear offsets are used for production corrections. By following these steps correctly, you can safely start the machine, reference it, load the workpiece, run the program, inspect the finished part, and make accurate wear offset corrections during production. Tool geometry offset mainly controls the overall tool position and maintains the total tool length. If you need to make diameter corrections, you will also need to understand how to adjust the corresponding offset values correctly. I will explain exactly how to increase or decrease these values in another video, because covering everything here would make this video too long. In the next video, I will show you how to use wear offset for production size corrections, when and how to use geometry offset correctly, the difference between wear offset and geometry offset, and when each one should be used. I will cover all of that in the next video. For now, I just wanted to give you a basic understanding of how to operate a CNC machine from start to finish. If you found today's video helpful, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to enable all notifications so you never miss any upcoming CNC machining videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy machining.